Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a channel on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, simply go ahead, access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Now right over here you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? For the sake of creating your channel, all you have to do is tap on this option of updates in the bottom left. And now simply you can see the channels option below our status. Go ahead, tap on this plus icon. Now tap on this create channel option, tap on agree and continue, and go ahead, add in the channel name. Once you're done, tap on create channel, and this is how your channel is created. You can choose to add description, share channel list, share to my status, anything you want to promote it. You can tap on it and you can have any other settings regarding it right over there. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.